welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to upgrade your system, especially the Fedora operating system. If you are using the Fedora operating system in your hardware, so how to upgrade? So latest release 39 version 39, and today date is 14 November, and the release date was 9th November. So how to know the release date? The 9th November, this is and press the the Fedora LXD. You can see here and here the Fedora Spin also has released the latest release 39 version, and my system has the Fedora LXD, this one. It is, and use the ubuntu. It is LXQT based operating flavor, Fedora LXD. This one is my system. So how to upgrade? So for upgrading, what terminal all updates finish. New version will available in this in here DNF Dragora. This is a software center. So I don't want to use the GUI method. I want to use the terminal based method. So at first I am update my all packages. So DNF update. This command will not be run with the super, so it's not a show to DNF update. I've typed my password. This is a long process. I don't show you long process. Sometimes I have paused the screen recorder, and when this system has installed step-by-step method, then I will show you the screen recorder. So now it is updating. At first I am using the sudo dnf update. Don't use apt. Apt is for Debian based command line. It is the rpm package, so I am using the dnf or yum, sudo-yum update. This is the Fedora operating system, so you can use this command dnf. And all these are the all updated are available, and you can see sudo dnf update password. These are all kernel update, kernel. Okay, create 166 packages, remove 5 packages, skip 2 packages, total downloaded site 442 megabyte. Is this okay? I'm typing yes and hit enter. Downloading packages. It it takes a long time, so it's sent to S S M DNS so SISTEM space UPGRADE password. Yes, so the correct is sudo DNF system. Don't use any hyphen, space, upgrade password. This command system, please use the head DNF plugin, DNF install, DNF command system upgrade. So now I exist a terminal, and reopen the terminal.